Now this channel was monetized after a period of 1 year, while this channel was monetized after a period of 1 month of consistent upload. So in this video today, I'm going to show you and I'm going to explain to you what made the first channel to be monetized after 1 year, and I'm also going to be explaining to you what made the second channel to be monetized after 1 month. My name is Whitey Benjamin, and in this channel I help creators to grow by giving them pro tips on how to grow until they monetize their channel. Let's dive in. So as you can see, this is a channel, and as you can see, this is a type of channel that is doing the electrical contents, okay? And as I scroll down, you can see that the overall views that this guy is having in his channel is around 71,426, and that one means show that this guy doesn't have so many views in his channel. This guy doesn't have any numbers, so many numbers in this channel. So let me show you and let me educate you on how it happened. So as you can see, let us just open popular videos. You can see that the popular video, this guy, the trending video that this guy is having is 16,000 views. That is the video that has trended in this channel. And what made this guy to monetize with only having a trending video of 16,000? I will show you that one. Now the first thing that made this guy to trend is the one thing. Number one thing is that the guy is always uploading or is always doing long form videos. As you can see here, the guy has so many videos that are over 8 minutes, 10 minutes. As you can see here, this one is 14 minutes, this one is 10 minutes, this one is 13 minutes, that one is 9 minutes. And as you can scroll down, you can also see that all the videos are not less than 8 minutes. So if you want to monetize quickly, even if you doesn't have so many views, so many numbers in your channel, you need to make sure that your videos are longer videos, because if people watches your video, they will automatically give you more watch hours and more watch hours in your YouTube channel. Now that is the first lesson that I've learned from this channel. Okay, now let's proceed. The guy has so many videos. He has like the guy is having like 51 videos, not much, but that one is average. So it means that this guy monetized with a total of 51 videos. Now the first thing that this channel is losing, and is losing it, is where this channel, as you can see here, I can open it and I can show you. So latest videos, let me open on latest videos. Then after opening on latest video, I'm gonna show you. Now as you can see, the last video that this guy produced was 4 days ago, okay? And another video is 11 days ago, and another video is 2 weeks ago, and another video is 3 weeks ago. It has like 4 videos in the last 3 weeks. So that one means that the guy is uploading consistently, but what is failing him, what is letting him down, is that he doesn't upload so many videos, or maybe 2 videos a week. He just upload like 1 video. Sometimes he upload like 2 videos a week, and that is very terrible. And that is one of the things that if you do, you are not going to be getting it right. So all in all, the first lesson that I've learned in this channel is that the guy has produced longer videos, and the longer videos has helped him monetize his channel very faster with only 71,000 views. And the second thing that I've learned is that the guy took time in uploading videos. He uploaded like 51 videos in a span of 1 year, and that is one of the best thing, and that is one of the good thing when it comes to creation. Now the second channel is this one here, and this is the Block Nation TV. And as you can see this channel, let us view the videos, all the videos that this guy is having. Okay, so you can realize that this guy is having 200,000 views in the entire channel. So it means that this guy managed to monetize this channel with a total of 200,000 views. So as you can see this video, this guy has been uploading like 4 videos in the last 5 days. So the first lesson that I learned in this channel is that this guy is always uploading. This guy is always consistent by uploading videos every time. He doesn't give the YouTube algorithm time to do this video. Another lesson that I learned is that the other channel, when you compare it to the other channel was having 70,000 views. He managed to monetize. and this channel is having 200,000 views. So what I can learn here is that this guy has been uploading videos, but shorter videos. As you can scroll down, you can see that the first video is 5 minutes, the second video is 4 minutes, and the third video is 2 minutes, another one is 5 minutes. So let us open popular videos. If you open popular video, you will realize that the first video that has trended most is this one. It has 74k views, and that is one of the best thing. The 70k views is having in his channel was not uploaded so many years ago, was just uploaded 1 day ago. So it means that this guy just shot yesterday and managed to monetize his channel. Okay, so the second channel here, the second video here is 1 month ago. So this is where this guy started uploading consistently. Okay, and as you can see here, is having 61k views in that video. So it means that after this one, he managed to monetize after a span of 1 month. After getting a viral video, this guy managed to monetize after a span of 1 month. So the lesson number one that I've learned in this channel is that this guy uploaded every time. He uploaded like 5 videos or 6 videos in a span of 1 week, and that is one of the best things. And another lesson that I've learned is that this guy has been producing shorter videos, because if you produce shorter video, automatically when you get a video that is going viral, like 60,000 to 70,000, it will give you an average of 1,000 to 2,000 watch hours, and that is one of the best things. Then the third lesson that I've learned in this channel is that this guy doesn't complicate thumbnails. As you can see here, this guy, the thumbnails in the videos, the thumbnails in his all videos are just simple, and they are just simple, but they are getting so many views, they are getting so many numbers. So that is for today, and I'm so much happy for these two guys who have managed to monetize in this month of November.